10 months after Bera's first litter of pups was lost to a python, camera traps record the dawn of a new era. With the addition of 11 newborns, the wild dog population is nearly doubled. Then a surprising development. A second female delivers a litter of her own, and her 8 pups are welcomed into the pack by Bera and raised along with the others. And pups in the park just keep on coming. 4 adults split off and form their own pack, and its alpha female delivers another 8 pups. With these 3 litters, the wild dog population of Gorongosa has jumped from 14 to over 40.